Hey everyone, so this video is going to be a routine that I've kind of been doing over the past 2 months in order to help with hyperpigmentation. So I did a skincare routine, my morning skincare routine, probably a week ago. It's like 2 videos before this one. And I was saying how one of my #1 issues is hyperpigmentation. Basically, if I get a pimple anywhere, it's gonna leave like a brown mark. And then hyperpigmentation is just like what it says. You get a lot of pigment in one area, and typically it's darker than the rest of your face. Women of color are usually more susceptible to hyperpigmentation since our body produces or has more melanin in it anyway. The marks are, darker than if you have fairer skin. So I've been using the PMD, which stands for personal microderm, and it's basically a way to do microdermabrasion at home. So I have a bunch of notes here on my phone. I'm kind of just going to give you like a little bit of background about what microdermabrasion is, and then do a demo of how I use the PMD. So pretty much microdermabrasion is like a professional grade way to exfoliate your skin. It uses these I don't know what to call them, plates kind of, you want to say, like little tabs that are made of ultrafine aluminum oxide crystals. So basically it's a way to like cleanse off a surface of the skin that not even like a Clarisonic or a spin brush or just like an exfoliator would do. Like it goes more deep than that. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It comes with this little clear cap here that actually twists off so that you can change out the different discs that you want to use. So your white discs are your training and ultra sensitive skin discs, and then you have the blue discs, which are for sensitive skin. The green discs are for medium strength abrasion, and then the red discs are for maximum strength abrasion. And you pretty much want to start at like the lowest level and work your way up. You definitely don't want to go into like the red disc using it for a first time, because you're not necessarily sure how it's going to react, how your skin may react to it, even if your skin may not seem like it's super sensitive. So for the first couple uses, I just did the white disc just to kind of get a feel for what I was doing, get my technique down, and then I've worked my way up to the blue disc, which is for sensitive skin. So I think each one of these discs, it says, is recommended to be used for like 2 to 4 treatments, which may not seem like a lot, but you only are going to use the PMD once a week. Regardless of how sensitive your skin is, you're not going to use it more than once every 7 days. So take note of that. That means one disc will last you about a month, and you think you can buy them for like a pack of 3 for like $25 or so. And also there are 2 different size discs. So the skinnier one here, if you can see it, is basically for your face and smaller areas, and then there is a larger disc here, which is pretty much for like your body, your hands, your feet, maybe your back or your chest, I'm thinking. And then it comes with a different like clear cap for the larger discs. And also, if you are using any type of like alpha or beta hydroxy acid or any retin-A or retinol products, you want to make sure that you do not use those products 48 hours before and 48 hours after you've used the PMD, because your skin is just going to be too sensitive. So I know I've been using a face wash that has like a glycolic acid in it, so I just make sure that 2 days before and 2 days afterwards I don't use it when I use the PMD, which may seem like a lot, but it's pretty simple. So the way that it works is that you just take the adapter, you plug it in on the bottom, plug it into the wall. You're going to turn it on. It will make a kind of like vacuum type noise. You just want to start with a freshly cleansed face. So I normally just wash my face and pat it dry. I don't go in with any toner at this point. And you're just going to pull the skin taut, and then you are basically just going to drag the PMD across the skin in like a straight line. It's going to feel like a vacuum sucking on your face. It does not hurt. Doesn't snag on anything. It's just like a a vacuum like normal. And I just start at the top of the cheeks and go all the way down to my chin. You want to make sure that you don't go over the same area more than 2 times. So I would just do one side of my face, the other side of my face. I do my chin, and then I just do that side of my chin one more time. You want to make sure that you keep it moving. So don't ever just like pause it and have it sitting right there in one spot. Just make sure that you keep it moving. And it's fairly simple to use. It takes like 5 minutes to set it up and use it. And then afterwards, I just clean the cap with some rubbing alcohol. And then I also clean around the base of the PMD with rubbing alcohol, and down on this little spongy area I clean with rubbing alcohol. I kind of clean the whole disc with rubbing alcohol, and I just let it air dry. And then afterwards I just go in with my toner, because you'll see that there's like white spots like on your face, kind of like skin. So that's pretty much what it is. Like the vacuum is just suck the skin up, kind of like you were cutting the grass and then you have to rake. So I just take my toner and go over my face just to get rid of that like dead skin that's sitting right there. And I go with my serum and my moisturizer, and I'm done. Okay, so my personal thoughts on the PMD is that so far I've really been enjoying it. And I know that it is a process whenever you're trying to lighten anything or trying to get rid of hyperpigmentation. It's a process. It's something that does not happen overnight. Generally, it probably takes, I don't know, at least like 4 to 6 weeks to begin to see, you know, noticeable changes in your skin. It also is going to help with any type of like fine lines and wrinkles, and it's just a way to do like give yourself like a spa treatment at home. So I think I'm just gonna try to do updates, maybe like monthly updates, showing you my skin and my like current like thoughts on my journey to like lighten all my acne scarring. So I think that'll be like something that's like cool to at least like go back and look at to see the progress. So that's everything for this video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much as always for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.